Ever wonder where your favorite snacks come from? The chips you munch on during movie night, the fries you grab at a drive-thru, or the crackers packed in your lunchbox? Each has a story that begins long before it reaches your hands. That crispy French fry or crunchy potato chip starts its journey in massive megafactories, enormous facilities designed to feed millions every single day. These aren't ordinary kitchens. They're sprawling complexes filled with powerful machines and hundreds of workers, all moving in perfect harmony to keep the food flowing. Day and night, these factories churn out the food that fills America's plates. The lights never go out, and the hum of machinery is constant, ensuring that shelves stay stocked and restaurants never run out. Imagine a building the size of several football fields, alive with conveyor belts, giant ovens, and the aroma of cooking food. It's a world where scale is everything, and efficiency is the key to feeding a nation. Here, raw ingredients like potatoes are transformed into the snacks we love. Each potato is washed, sorted, and sliced with incredible speed, then cooked to perfection in vast fryers or ovens. It's a process perfected over years, blending human skill with cutting-edge technology. Workers oversee the lines while robotic arms and automated systems handle the heavy lifting, ensuring every snack is just right. Without these mega-factories, feeding a nation would be impossible. They're the backbone of our food supply, quietly working behind the scenes to keep America fed. Every step is planned and executed with precision, from the moment a truckload of potatoes arrives at the loading dock to the final packaged product rolling off the line, ready for delivery to stores across the country. Teams of engineers, food scientists, and operators work together in a vast, interconnected system. They monitor quality, troubleshoot problems, and innovate new ways to make food safer, tastier, and more efficient to produce. In the next scenes, we'll pull back the curtain to see how potatoes become fries and chips, how wheat turns into pasta, and how robots assemble pizzas with astonishing speed and accuracy. This is the hidden world that shapes what we eat every day, a world of innovation, teamwork, and relentless dedication to feeding millions. Let's dive into the incredible world of food megafactories and discover the secrets behind the giants that feed America. The perfect French fries journey begins in the field, where acres of rich soil nurture rows upon rows of potatoes. These humble tubers are carefully cultivated by dedicated farmers who monitor the weather, soil, and water to ensure each potato grows to perfection. Harvest season is a flurry of activity, as machines and hands work together to gather the crop at its peak. But the real transformation from potato to fry happens inside a mega factory, a place where science, engineering, and culinary art collide on a massive scale. The United States alone produces over 8 million tons of frozen fries each year, making it one of the world's largest suppliers. These factories run around the clock, churning out mountains of fries destined for restaurants, fast food chains, and grocery stores across the globe. Truckloads of freshly harvested potatoes arrive at the factory, where they're immediately blasted clean by high-pressure water jets. This powerful wash removes every trace of dirt and debris, ensuring only the cleanest potatoes move forward. Next, the potatoes are steam peeled. Hot steam loosens their skins, and spinning brushes scrub them spotless. This step is crucial for achieving that smooth, golden fry exterior we all love. Once peeled, the potatoes are shot through high-speed cutters, instantly sliced into perfectly uniform strips. This precision ensures every fry cooks evenly, whether it's destined to be thin and crispy or thick and hearty. Modern machines can create any fry shape imaginable: shoestring, steak, crinkle, or curly, at incredible speeds. Each style has its own loyal fans and unique texture. The cut fries are then blanched in hot water. This step removes excess sugars and starch, which helps prevent burning and gives fries their signature color and taste. After blanching, powerful air blowers dry the fries, preparing them for a quick dip in hot oil. This partial cooking locks in flavor and creates that irresistible crispy shell. Finally, the fries are flash frozen at ultra-low temperatures. This rapid freezing process preserves their texture, flavor, and freshness until they're ready to be cooked to perfection. Thanks to this meticulous process, fries stay fresh and delicious, whether they're headed to a bustling restaurant kitchen or your own freezer at home. Every step in the journey is about speed, precision, and unwavering quality. Teams of workers and advanced machines work side by side, constantly checking for consistency and taste. From the sunlit fields to the high-tech factory floor, the humble potato is transformed into America's favorite side dish, a symbol of comfort and joy for millions. So next time you bite into a golden, crispy fry, remember the incredible journey it took, from earth to plate, shaped by innovation and care. Mega factories make it possible for millions to enjoy perfect fries every single day, no matter where they are in the world. It's a blend of cutting-edge technology, skilled teamwork, and a shared love for great food that brings this classic treat to life. That's the golden journey of the French fry, a story of transformation, innovation, and pure deliciousness. Potato chips are a marvel of speed and crunch, a snack that's become a staple in homes and parties around the world. But behind every crispy bite is a fascinating journey from farm to bag, blending science, precision, and a bit of culinary magic. It all begins with the perfect potato, high in starch and low in sugar, carefully selected to ensure the ideal texture and taste. Farmers grow these special varieties just for chip making, harvesting them at peak freshness. After harvest, the potatoes are whisked away to the factory where they undergo a thorough wash to remove any dirt. Next, they're peeled, sometimes using powerful jets of steam, other times with abrasive rollers, leaving behind smooth, clean potatoes ready for slicing. The potatoes are then sliced paper-thin by high-speed blades, each slice uniform to guarantee even cooking, and that signature crunch we all love. These delicate slices drop into bubbling hot oil, frying at precise temperatures. In less than 3 minutes they transform from pale slices to golden, crispy chips. Inside the fryer, metal paddles gently stir the chips, ensuring each one cooks evenly and achieves the perfect texture, light, airy, and satisfyingly crunchy. As the chips leave the fryer, they're carefully drained of excess oil, which helps keep them crisp and prevents greasiness. Still warm and fragrant, the chips tumble through a giant rotating drum, a crucial step that prepares them for their final flavor boost. Here, a blend of oil and seasoning is added, whether it's classic sea salt, tangy barbecue, or a bold new flavor, coating every chip for that irresistible taste. Each chip is tumbled and turned to ensure a perfect, even coating so every bite bursts with flavor. Quality control experts inspect the chips, checking for color, crunch, and seasoning, making sure only the best make it into the bag. In just a matter of minutes, a humble potato is transformed into a crunchy, flavorful snack, ready to be enjoyed. Mega factories use cutting-edge technology and automation to make this process fast, efficient, and consistent, producing millions of chips every day. So, the next time you open a bag of chips, remember, you're tasting the result of careful farming, innovative engineering, and a passion for perfect snacks. That's the incredible story behind every potato chip, from field to crunch. Sweet potatoes start in the rich soils of states like North Carolina and California. Farmers plant slips with precision machines, and after months of growth, harvesters dig up the mature tubers. On-board conveyors shake off dirt, and workers quickly sort out rocks and damaged potatoes. At the factory, sweet potatoes are soaked, scrubbed with soft brushes and dried with fans. Advanced cameras and sensors scan each potato, sorting them by size and quality. The best are packaged fresh, others are processed into fries or purees. Robotic arms gently box and weigh them for shipping. From field to factory, it's a journey of care and technology. That's how sweet potatoes reach your table. Carrots are harvested by high-tech machines that pull them from the soil and slice off their leafy tops in one swift motion. Tons of carrots are collected in hours, then rushed to processing plants for cleaning. They're washed in water channels and industrial washers, then sorted by shape and color. Perfect carrots are packaged fresh. The rest become baby carrots, slices, or juice. For baby carrots, lasers measure and blades cut them into uniform shapes. After a final rinse, they're weighed and bagged. Mega factories ensure carrots are ready for every use, fresh, cut, or juiced. It's a seamless blend of speed and precision. From field to fridge, carrots are made ready for you. That's the journey of America's favorite veggie. Garlic's journey starts with industrial seeders planting cloves in perfect rows. After months underground, advanced harvesters lift the bulbs and shake off dirt. At the factory, the real challenge is peeling millions of cloves. Machines break bulbs apart, then use vibration and air jets to remove papery skins. Clean cloves are washed, sorted, and packaged fresh or pre-chopped. Some are roasted for a milder flavor before packaging. Every step is automated for speed and quality. From field to kitchen, garlic's path is powered by technology. It's the secret ingredient in countless recipes. That's how garlic gets to your plate. Pasta's journey begins in America's vast wheat fields, harvested by giant combines. Wheat is stored in massive silos, then milled into semolina flour. In the factory, semolina and water are mixed into dough, then pushed through extruders to form shapes like spaghetti or penne. Modern machines can produce millions of pasta strands every minute. The fresh pasta is dried in warm air chambers to achieve the perfect texture and shelf life. After cooling, it's weighed and packaged for stores. Every step is about efficiency and quality. From field to fork, pasta's journey is a marvel of engineering. The same wheat can become pizza crust too. It's all about transforming simple grains into delicious meals. Mega factories make it possible for pasta to reach tables everywhere. Next time you twirl spaghetti, remember the technology behind it. From wheat to pasta, it's a story of innovation. That's how pasta is made. The frozen pizza is a masterpiece of factory automation. Dough is mixed, rolled, and cut into perfect circles by machines. Conveyor belts move crusts under sauce sprayers and cheese dispensers for even coverage. Robotic arms add toppings like pepperoni with speed and precision. Some pizzas are pre-baked in industrial ovens, others are flash frozen to lock in freshness. Every pizza is wrapped, boxed, and shipped to stores nationwide. It's a perfectly choreographed dance of machines and people. From raw ingredients to ready-to-bake meals, the process is seamless. Frozen pizza is a modern marvel. Delicious, convenient, and made possible by technology. That's how your favorite pizza gets from factory to freezer. From fries to pizza, our food's journey is powered by mega factories, technology, and teamwork. Machines clean, slice, cook, and package with incredible speed and precision, but behind every machine is a team of skilled people. Engineers, scientists, and operators, ensuring quality and safety. Their expertise keeps the process running smoothly, feeding millions every day. Innovation turns raw crops into convenient, affordable foods. Next time you snack, remember the journey from field to factory to table. It's a story of teamwork, technology, and hard work. That's the modern marvel that fills our plates every day.